Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to watch a video frame by frame in VLC Media Player. Open VLC Media Player on your PC. Open a media file that you would like to watch. Press the E shortcut key on your keyboard. The video will be paused. Keep pressing the E shortcut key to watch the video or portion of the video frame by frame. To exit, just click the play button to watch it normally. This is how you can watch a video frame by frame in VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching.